Augmented Reality Lesson 1 walkthrough. There's a lot of talking and clicking to go through. So you need to click on these to do the concepts. It'll make you go through it. Talks about turning your video on using the video on button and turning it off with the video off button. So when you click when you actually, in the code, when we use the on button in start or on a click, it's going to turn on your camera, and then off will turn the camera off. And then taking a screenshot takes a screenshot that downloads to your computer. It wants you to click this 3 times, and you'll see it downloads here. On mine, if you're on a Chromebook, it's going to go into your files location. Then you need to click on her to move on. In this first photo booth intro, you're going to have to put these blocks in a specific order. The order they want it in is turn video on when the program starts, and then whenever you click on the background, which is the actor in this instance, it will take a screenshot, and you need to click 3 times to fill those 3 stars. That's all you had to do, was click on the background 3 times. In this tutorial, you're going to, you can see I already have the code here. You're going to drag over the blocks from here. So we're going to make it so this TV screen turns on when we press the on button, and the feed turns on, and it's a video of you, and then off when you press the off button. So drag over the one actor clicked and the turn video on, and then one actor click and turn video off. That's the off button, and that's it. That's all that goes with this one. So when I click the on button, it will turn on the camera, and then you can see me on the screen, and the off button turns it off. And the final thing we're going to do is build a kind of like a photo booth that you would have at a school dance or a wedding or some other event, where you have different props that you can put on yourself. You can see I have a bunch of them in here because I've already done this activity. So you'll pull over the on start, turn video on. That's going to activate the camera. And then when actor clicked, that's going to be on the stage. So when we click on the background anywhere, it's going to take a screenshot of us with our props on our face, which will look really cool. And then for each of these props, you need to pull over a when actor clicked on them. So the Explorer hat already had it on. You needed to go and pull over a when actor clicked onto every single one of these. So let me show you quick how to find some from the internet and how to bring some in here and draw them yourself. You can see I have a ton of stuff on here. I'll get rid of some of these. Oops. I'll go in this way. It's easier to delete here. Delete, delete, delete. You can get rid of any of the ones you don't want. Okay. So I'm going to go back out here. So add an actor. There's several ways you can add an actor. One way is the drawing tool. So you can go in and you can draw your own. That's how I did the lips. And then you name it up here in the top into something that makes sense. So I'm going to name it lips. And now the lips are in here, and then I need to pull over on the lips this when actor clicked, because this makes it move around the screen when it's running. You can pull things around on the screen, so you have to make sure that you put that when actor clicked on there. You can also, besides drawing, get actors from the media library. And there's a ton of things in each of these that you could use. So if you go to performance, there is nothing in that one. That's rather sad. Space. There's props in some of these that would work for props in a photo booth. Like if you want to make a spooky Halloween one, you can pull out some of these. Pull out a monster hand. Pumpkins, spooky trees, a hat. I suppose I could do that, but I'm not going to. I also search for stuff. That's something you can do at the top, is search for things, and you can say hats, or just hat in general, I guess. You can't do the S on it, and then you should get a bunch of different hats here that you could pull in. I'll do this witch's hat and pull the code over here. The other way to add an actor is to find one on the internet. So if you want to find it on the internet, you need to go to Google Images and look for images. So let's say wig. And I want, I'm going to go to tools. And then I'm going to leave ebony type for right now, but I'm going to say transparent background so that I don't have to erase anything in the background of it. I'm going to find one. It's Halloween. Let's find something fun. There we go. This is going to be gross. I don't like blonde wigs. They don't look good on me. We're not going to use that. That's not even a full wig. That is. Excellent. Right click, save image as. This box pops up. If it says PNG, that's right. I'm going to name it blue wig. And in here, you just click on add actor and upload actor. And it should show up right there. The size is going to be off, so you have to go in and adjust the size. So if you grab it, you'll see there are these little gray squares here where your arrows, your mouse pointer turns into a double-headed arrow. That's how you know it's something you can use. I think that's probably going to be about the right size. I'm going to pull that over here, and I'm going to pull the lips over here. All right, and I need to make sure then again to pull this code onto it. Now if I play it, my camera's on the wrong one here. I have two cameras, so here's the wig. And I have these terrible... so that takes a screenshot, and it'll download the screenshot when you click on the background when you're playing in here. So if I make this big, here's that wig. These headphones, you can see around it, which is ridiculous. There, it's downloading the screenshot, and then you can go open that screenshot from there. You can change the order of these things as well. Like say you want the hat to be able to go in front of the wig, you would click on the witch hat and then arrange and forward. Now it could go on the top of it. I could also pull over the glasses at the same time. A little excessive. But here's what the screenshots look like. Mine open up into a paint program, so it's kind of a pain. But here's what they look like. So it opens up a picture, a screenshot of you to keep with your props that you put on yourself. So super fun. Really love this one. Share it with your family.